Dun, 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 dun. Football officially starts. I know I have made you absolutely nauseous talking about my fantasy football draft.
Well, you did well with Lamar Jackson, but the real game starts tonight. Kickoff of the first NFL game of the season is set for what, 8:20 p.m. tonight?
8:20, that's right. The Cowboys are taking on the world champion tush pushers, the Philadelphia Eagles.
Look, you may not love those two teams, but I know if you're a New Yorker, you may not love them. I know they may make your eyes roll a little bit, but I know that you love football. I know that you love tailgating, and that is why we are here with the one and only chef extraordinaire, Ashton Keefe, who's going to show us some healthier tailgating bites. I love that. We're going to be out at MetLife Stadium in no time, folks.
That's right, that's right. Before we get into the business of the food, brass tacks, who's your team?
Giants.
And there was a big announcement.
They sold a portion of the Giants last night.
Whoa.
That's why I'm broke today. Guys, I'm sorry. I figured I
thought of you last night, and I was like, I'm going to text Marisol, but no. I'll wait till tomorrow.
Okay, even if
that's a big deal.
I actually do know people that don't enjoy watching football. I know, they're in my circle, but they like the food that surrounds it.
Well, that's all right. Listen, and by the way, if we are going to be, I said this earlier, if we're going to tailgate all season, we're going to eat all season, we should maybe eat a little healthier, right?
That's right.
Yeah, and it's a school night, first day of school, so you got to be a little bit more moderate. And I was saying, after the rosé all day of the summer, literally, I did not hold back. So
she did not.
I did not hold back. So this is like a little healthier, but still indulgent and fun and participatory, and obviously like great for a dinner or a spread, or translates from Thursday night to Sunday afternoon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is this something that we can do at home? Are we going to do it and then take it to the parking lot?
Either, because I did this at home and I brought it here.
Perfect.
So it's a perfect example that you can do this at home.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay.
So you mentioned that you got a twist. You mentioned Ashton's got a twist on the pigs in a blanket. What are we looking at here?
Guys, it's figs in a blanket.
I mean,
figs in a blanket.
Have you ever?
Oh my gosh, so we've got dried figs over here, and then what we're gonna do, fancy word, reconstitute them. So we're gonna plump them up with a little bit of vinegar, honey, and
I like
they
that.
get nice and succulent like that. I fill them with goat cheese, as you can see.
No
You can
way.
grab one of those,
Okay,
fill them, and then roll them up with a little puff pastry, frozen puff pastry. You can use whatever you have.
Okay.
And we'll add a little bit.
We're gonna make one real quick. Yeah, there we go.
Why not?
Get in there.
She plumps them up.
We're plumping them up.
She plumps them, she rolls them.
She stuffs them, she rolls, and then what do you put on top?
Egg wash and poppy seeds. It's like a little different than your, I don't even know, everything bagel seasoning for your hot dogs, but then your
hired.
figs in a blanket. I know, JD and I
then
go way
do you
back.
put them in an oven?
You put them in an oven, 375 for about 15 minutes, and these can do like up a day in advance. So you can make these and then bring them wherever you're going.
You gonna try one?
They're very good. Yeah. And again, you can use figs, you can use dates, you can use apricots, you can use blue cheese, you can use goat cheese, you can use whatever you've got and just make it like a little healthier. Nice and chewy and sweet. And
I have dates between my teeth.
That's right.
And I love hot dogs. And the fact that I'm doing this is like beyond.
You
I really do love a hot dog and rosé.
That's right. Okay.
Healthy.
I know for some crowds, if there are not wings at a football game, don't even come to the party.
No, absolutely not. You can't have no buffalo, and like, it doesn't work. My head doesn't compute that way. So I made a buffalo sauce. This is equal parts butter and hot sauce. I'm not taking all of the fun out of this because that's terrible. Garlic, onion, carrot, celery, and mirepoix up here. I'm using rotisserie chicken. So you use something that you already have, shred it.
That makes sense.
You put it all in here. You can add my buffalo sauce if you want to this too.
Quick question for the folks in back.
Please.
If they cannot make their own buffalo sauce, will you judge us? Okay.
Just buy it. Just buy it. I like the rotisserie chicken idea because we will buy a rotisserie chicken and we'll do it for dinner one night as a family, but then there's just enough left on the chicken. Nobody wants it as a meal, but I don't want to waste it.
Right. So you make a soup with that too.
Ooh, soup.
Taco Tuesday.
We're coming into soup season. You had me at soup.
Yeah.
And then I'm making buffalo lettuce wraps. So just do a lettuce wrap, and that's like kind of like a nice carb-free way to celebrate.
Okay.
Really delicious, crunchy. You make this ahead of time and then just put it on the leaves before you're serving. Really easy.
Unbelievable. And then, gosh,
guys, I can't not.
So
she's the
Ashton was
best.
saying, I'm done with rosé all summer, and then hands us a drink.
You're gonna love this. I'm calling this the Ritual Margarita.
Okay.
It is Ritual Zero Proof Agave Spirit. It is non-alcoholic for school nights. A little bit of NA, you know. It's not bad, right? It's so delicious and like refreshing, and you get that margarita thing. Guys, the game starts at 8:20.
Come on.
You can't.
Yeah.
You
You
can't
can
down
do
in
So
a
if you
bottle.
start
Do
having
this before
margaritas
kickoff.
now, they should probably be the non-alcoholic ones, ideally.
Start in the middle of the day with these ones.
Ashton, thank you for getting our day and our football
that's good.
season done right. That's nice, right?
It really is nice.
If you have not followed this woman on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing with your lives. I
Yeah.
mean, her whole story is there. You can live vicariously through her chips, her kitchen, her this, her that.
Her recipes.
Her recipes.
Her recipes.
All the things.
Check those out. Ashton, thank you.
Hey!
Thank you, sir. We're gonna take a